If you're looking to give your Slingshot a more aggressive, track-inspired look, this adjustable swan neck rear wing from NRG is one upgrade that completely transforms the rear profile. Featuring a full 59-inch span and a clean swan neck design, this wing keeps the underside airflow unobstructed for a more efficient aerodynamic profile while delivering that unmistakable motorsports look from every angle. It's the same type of top-mounted design you typically see on track weapons like the Porsche GT3 RS and GT4 RS, where keeping the underside of the wing clean helps it work more efficiently. Built from aluminum with billet roll bar clamps and wing mounts, this system is designed to be both lightweight and durable, with a matte black powder-coated finish that blends seamlessly with the factory roll hoops. The adjustable pitch angle allows you to fine-tune both the look and performance, whether you're dialing in a more aggressive stance or optimizing for added stability at higher speeds. And on something like the Slingshot, where you've only got a single rear tire out back, that added stability becomes even more noticeable. Large aerodynamic end plates help manage airflow at the outer edges of the wing, improving overall efficiency while adding to the bold, race-inspired styling. It's a full bolt-on system with stainless steel hardware included, designed specifically for Slingshot models equipped with factory square-style roll hoops. This setup mounts directly to the roll hoops using precision-fit clamps, eliminating the need for permanent modifications while keeping the installation clean and secure. If you're looking to upgrade the rear profile of your Slingshot with something that delivers both aggressive styling and functional performance, this adjustable swan neck rear wing from NRG is the obvious choice. To check out more details or pick one up for your ride, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to catch more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.